Well, so you can see I'm doing a little vibe coding at the moment, and I got some of it running in the background, and I'm allowing the AI to do what it does. And just a really quick video on utilizing AI tools like Cursor, Windsurf, or whatever you use to be able to build your app out. Um, there are other tools out there that allows you to be able to do your design and other functionality. And what I am doing, so I'll build up my design, and then once I'm done with my design, I will come and I will change some of the design once I get to my cursor or whatever I'm using for my back end. And with that, sorry, I feel like I'm rambling. It's like I'm doing more than one thing at a time. But what you can do is you can be able to download your zip file from either Replit or from V0, which is what I use mostly. And what I do when it comes to, because most of the stuff is going to come with React, and I'm not a React person. I may become a React person, but it will require me to learn some things with React. But I do know Vue, so I can use Vue. And what I would do is I would download it, put it into my project, direct the AI, and let the AI know, hey, I have a React project that I would like to convert to Vue in order for me to build this particular app. I have my architecture markdown file. I have my tasks that I wanted to follow, and I wanted to help me to build it out. And it's been pretty successful. I was really impressed. I was a little leery on whether it would do it, but the AI is intelligent enough to be able to read through your React files and be able to convert that into Vue, or if you want to do into a raw JavaScript, it's probably can do that. As long as a lot of the some of the packages that's using you can be able to download and put in to be able to make the design look like what your current design is. But yeah, I'm not so much too surprised, but I'm a little relieved. But the thing is, the AI is intelligent enough to be able to read through, understand the syntax, understand most of the logic, and that's where also your architecture file will be able to help the AI understand what it's building. And also try not to give the AI too much at one time. Tell it in this task to let's go either one view at a time, within the view, a component at a time. If you have multiple components within the actual view, you want to definitely not just let it go, just do it, just whatever. Brute force with it. You can try and see what happens. You can always roll it back. But what's great about the AI is it goes at the pace that you want to go with, and you're the driver here. They're just actually carrying out the task, and yeah. So I like where everything's going with this, and hopefully we can get a few of these projects knocked out um, and out to you. As I said before, I have one app where it helps you to be able to be inspired on what kind of social media posts, SMS posts to customers or clients, kind of like breaking the ice or whatever to keep in communication with people. There's another one where you can actually ideate your business idea, give you a roadmap, give you other information about some of the pros and cons, and whether it's something that you should probably put in time for. Makes it a lot quicker. Yeah, sure, I can go to ChatGPT and put it in, but for the most part, we're going to be focusing on the core pieces of building a business. What you need, things like domain, SEO, other stuff, or whatever monetization strategies that you may not know when you're doing your prompt. Just making it a lot easier for you. Another project, I don't know if I've said it on here, but I'm working on something with my daughter. She's into skincare, so I'm working on a project. It's called Refresh AI, and basically it's for being able to improve your skincare routine for a highly melanated skin. A lot of times, a lot of the skincare routines are skincare brands. They're catered towards, not as darker skin. I'm of darker complexion. My daughter is as well. But those different skin tones, they require different things, and we have different skin types, and for the AI to be able to help assist with that. Another thing, I have a thing I've been playing around with. My wife has been going through different CRMs, so I'm trying to help revisit a CRM that I helped create for her that was really well, and to expand that by pretty much making it less of a CRM but more useful, called UnCRM. And basically, it is built for you not to be in the CRM. You don't want to be in the CRM all the time. You want to be talking to people. You want to be knowing who you need to talk to, get information in, get information out. Not so much have to always be in the app itself. And just some other stuff or whatever, learning how to use AI, and mentoring app is really cool. But yeah, I got a lot of things on the horizon. But yeah, going back to this original video, if you're having issues with just trying to get your design from another tool, just copy it, put it into your project, and allow AI to be able to do its thing, figure it out. You work together in conjunction. Sometimes you may have to pull something out and actually go into ChatGPT or something like that to be able to bring in for a better prompt on what you're working on. So yeah, if you have any questions, put them into the comments. If you need help with, oh, sorry, need help with using Cursor or any of these AI tools, understanding it, don't be ashamed to reach out. All my information is out there. You can DM me, you can email me, whatever. So, if you have any questions, let me know.